Yeah, I'm Karthikeyan, working as a AGM in Karur Vysya Bank. So we are one among the sponsor of this program. Actually, we have attended this session almost from morning onwards. We are sitting here. So all the sessions were very nice. It will be very useful to the young aspirants. So
Yes,
they have given
students and business people.
yeah, students and business people. Even we were also enjoying like anything. So a lot of new technology, artificial intelligence, and this machine learning, all these things were there. So we enjoyed like then chat GPT. So how we can use and all these things they have very clearly explained. So we were
It's
enjoying.
2 days program.
Yeah, it's a 2 days program. So tomorrow also we are very eager. We are very much eager to attend the tomorrow sessions also.
Yes.